Amazon affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Amazon and how you can become an affiliate marketer for Amazon in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. Okay, and this is going to be the easiest and most simplest tutorial, and I'm going to be walking you through in great detail and depth. Okay, so to start things off, what you are going to want to be doing is you're going to go to Amazon Associates Central. Okay, so here's Amazon Associates Central. It's basically Amazon's very own affiliate program where you can sign up with Amazon's affiliate program. It's a three-step process. So there's the first step where you can join tens and thousands of creators, then recommend their products and earn. So you're going to sign up with your Amazon account. Once you do that, you're going to get a different suite over here where you can go on any product and get an Amazon product key link. So let's say I want to go with these Razer headsets and I want to go ahead and become an affiliate market for them. So I'm going to copy their link off. And once I copy their link off, then I can actually become an affiliate marketer by sending them out in, different websites like Shopify or anything like that. So you're going to want to sign up through this section and you're going to get actual revenue and generation. So that's how you're going to become an Amazon affiliate marketer. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.